Hey everyone, it has been a while since I've done a video on YouTube, so I'm actually kind of excited and nervous to be filming today. I had some fun new releases for today. Can you guys believe we are on to spring 2023? This is the ultimate kit. The first thing I'm going to start out with is headers. I still haven't decided if I'm going to, you know what, I haven't done a vertical spread in like 10 years. Part of me doesn't even know what to do. I'm going to try to only use the kit and not really pull in too many extra items, just to show you like how far you can go with just the kit. And maybe I'll do a video where I'll just use a mini kit and I will just try to add in a lot more stuff. So to not make this plan with me 10 years long, I'm just gonna do this page. If you guys look back on my YouTube channel, I used to do plan with me's like all the time. I'm not even going in order right now. I'm just kind of like doing whatever. And you also have some straight like single line headers here as well to decorate even further. Just put it like so. Okay. Yay, I found it. There are date covers that come with the kit here, and they are cut around, as you can see, which is super cool. But I like this look a lot. Let me know what you guys, oh, I actually did this one already. Let me know what you guys have been up to recently. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more plan with me's because I do miss it. I just need to figure out how I can do it, but still like have time to do everything else. Where's my tweezer? Oh, and these are really fun to put actually like on top of here or on the bottom, or actually even on the side of your planner. Okay, that there. But you get two, so you can actually put this on like this side and then put it on the other side. This heart is really pretty. Put it here. And I love the icons background for this. It's the cute little daisies. So you get a little bit of print behind your background, which is behind your icon, which is super cute. And then we also include scallop headers, which I do kind of want to use on top of like random boxes here. The weather has been so weird lately. It was just hailing yesterday, now it's sunny today. I was actually supposed to go to Reno several days ago actually, and I had to cancel because of the storm, and it was also through Southwest, and I got kind of nervous. They're going to cancel my flight or delay it, which they actually did, so I'm really happy that I canceled it. Oh, I need a header there. I was gonna go and ice skate outside in like actual cold weather, where the ice rink is like a lake or something. I've never done that before, and I think it sounds so much fun. Well, I used to ice skate like every week. I had lessons, and I did that for about 6 months, and then I just couldn't do anymore. It was too hard. They tried teaching me what is it called, the sow cow jump, and I was like, you know what, nope, I'm out of here. It was too hard, and like I would have liked to continue with it. However, if I was gonna learn something like a little bit more difficult, I want to spend more time practicing, and I only had like 2 hours in a week to do ice skating, so it wasn't enough for me to like actually put in the time to learn something difficult. I did learn how to do like 2 jumps and that was it, and put in some bit of foil. I want to actually mix in like doodles and foil as well because I love both styles. Even though I have been using my Hobonichi a lot more, I do like both. I love the daisies all throughout. Since I couldn't go to Reno, I ended up just staying home and not doing anything. So I love the reformat to this page actually because these are kind of like cut out like splashes like this, so they look really pretty in your planner. Put that here, and then I want to use one of these squares because I really like the pattern that's dropped in here. So I don't know if you guys follow the Royals at all. I'm actually a pretty avid follower of Kate Middleton. She's just so classy, you know. I'm wondering if any of you have read or heard about, I'm sure you've heard about it, Prince Harry's new book called The Spare. So I watched a podcast of somebody talking about it and it was quite interesting. Okay, so if you guys have heard anything about it, this is probably one of the more popular ones that was in the media, where Prince Harry went to North Pole and got frostbitten, and then he had to use this cream that his mother used, and it was very strange, very strange. Oh, tell me what your guys' goals are for 2023. I had a pretty good year last year, but I wasn't like as happy. Like, it wasn't my happiest year, but it wasn't like my worst year either. Honestly, I think it wasn't my happiest year because it was my first full year without my dog. I just feel just like incomplete not having her around. If you guys are dog moms or cat moms, I'm sure you'd understand me. I kind of talk to myself, and I also try a billion stickers before actually like deciding to put it down somewhere. You know what? With the page flag, I'm actually gonna put this up a little bit and then put in one of these. And then I went to New York for the Studio Ghibli concert, which was one of the best experiences of my life. Like, I went alone, and I went for the concert, but I also went because I love New York. The last time I was there was 6-7 years ago. So over here, I want to put some deco. I'm going to actually use the deco sheet. I also want to do a journaling spread using the journaling kit. I want to pull that up. Okay, I'm just going to put her here. And then I'm going to grab some daisies. These sparkles and fill in sparse areas. So I forgot to mention, if you guys didn't know, we started doing acrylic products, which is super fun, super cool. So these are washi cutter. We have all the characters here. I mean, how cute. And we also have some Ghibli characters as well. And then this I'm going to share in a future video actually, and how to use them. But these actually go for like bullet journals to make like a monthly page. This pen I'm using is the Stabilo pen. This is actually my favorite pen. I love felt tip pens. They are my favorite for writing. I just love like the texture and the friction. Don't know where my tweezers went. Okay. You guys will not believe I got a water bill for over $8,000 because I had a leak in my sprinkler system. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to call the water company to see if there's any way that, you know, I don't have to pay that full amount. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done with the spread. I put a March script here. just to show that it will work well in March, but it is an actual like week of my actual plans. And again, this was our Pixie kit that was released for Tuesday deals. Hi everybody!